This little extra special tip is very important. In your accessory bag you see these little aluminum nipples called a cable ferrule. And what we do with these is we slip them over the end of your brake cable to keep them from unwinding and fraying and becoming a mess. Nobody likes a messy brake cable. So take that little aluminum ferrule, put it over the end of your brake cable, and then grab your pliers or anything you can clamp with and just squeeze it so it stays right on there. Nobody wants a messy brake cable. Then to keep this from flailing about and flying around, just slip it behind the brake arm and you're good to go.